Dear friends, sit comfortably on a chair. Place your palms on your lap. Relax yourself. Now, gently close your eyes. Please do not strain at all. Listen to the sounds around you. Feel those sounds. Just feel the sounds around you. Now, gently focus on your breathing. Just breathing. No other sounds. Relax. Now, my dear friends, you will listen to my sounds only. Listen to my words. If you hear any other sound, don't worry. It will help you to concentrate more on my sounds. Take a deep breath and release it slowly. Inhale. Gently exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now you experience a completely calm and quiet feeling, a joyful experience. I'll count from 1 to 10. Listen to it and relax yourself. Listen to it and relax yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. 1, 2, 3. From your head to foot, each part of your body has been getting relaxed. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just feel from your head down to your foot. Each part of your body has been getting relaxed, and enjoy this happy experience. 9, 10. You are enjoying a happy relaxation from head to foot. Enjoy this amazing experience. Along with your relaxation, you are becoming more and more confident and happy. By the power of subconscious, my dear friends, learning something new is a happy experience. You will start speaking in English fluently and confidently. By the power of the subconscious, speaking in English becomes a pleasurable phenomena to you. you will become confident and fluent while speaking in English. English language learning is real fun, and you will excel in all the 4 skills of the language: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Speaking in English will make you happy, energetic, and confident. By the power of the subconscious, you will become fluent and confident in English. You will be getting better and better physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. My dear friends, I'll count up to 3. When I count 3, please open your eyes with a smile on your lips, because now you are confident to speak in English. 1. From head to foot, you experience a wonderful relaxation. 2. Along with it, you experience relaxation physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Now you are very much confident to speak in English. Yes, very energetic, very smart, and very confident to speak in English. 3. My dear friends, please gently open your eyes with a smile on your lips. Yes, friends, now onwards, you will get the confidence to speak in English. You will not get worried about the grammar or the mistakes you may commit, but you will focus on the idea that you want to transact. And you can transact your ideas through very good English from today onwards. All the best.